Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you fix Home Depot gift card not redeeming. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to fix Home Depot gift card not redeeming, the first thing that you can do is check the gift card number plus PIN. Most common issues are typing errors, so in order to fix it, what you can do is enter the 16 to 19 digit card number correctly, then enter the PIN from the silver scratch off area and make sure there are no spaces, and if the PIN was scratched too hard and unreadable, simply contact the Home Depot contact us number. The next method that you can use is make sure the card has a PIN. Some old physical cards do not have pins. This cannot be redeemed online and only in store. If your card has no pin, simply take it to the Home Depot store and to the cashier and they will redeem it. The next is check gift card balance. If the balance is zero, it will not redeem it. Then what you can do is just simply head over and open up your browser. Then on the search bar type in Home Depot gift card balance and then simply tap on the first thing that is shown to you. Then once inside, what you need to do is type in the gift card number and the PIN and then select check balance to check the gift card balance. Then you can also try a different browser or app. If you are using the app and it is not being redeemed on the app, simply head over and open up your browser. Then on the search bar type in Home Depot, then select the first thing that is shown to you, that is the Home Depot homepage. Then inside, what you need to do is simply log in, and on the top right corner of your screen you'll find your profile icon. Simply tap on that and you'll find an option that says redeem code. Simply select that, or you can simply restart the app and try again. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.